Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch the Sea of Machine Learning program. As we have gone through many videos on VGFace2 such as face recognition using VGFace2, face verification and many more videos on VGFace2. Today's video is really interesting. It is enhancement of previous video, face verification. So let us go through the program in detail. First of all, importing required libraries needed for the program. Then next part, method extract face. It is used to extract single face from given photograph. The next statement, pixels is equal to pyplot. It is used for load the image from file. The next statement, detector is equal to empty CNN. It is used to create a detector using default weight. The next statement, result is equal to detector dot. It is used for detect faces in image. Then next part, x1 and x2 are used for extract bounding box from the face. Then face is equal to pixel, extract the face. The next part, image face array, return face array, extract the return the face array. Then method get embedding, it is used for extract face and calculate face embedding from the list of photo file. Then matching, image matching. Then define the file names. Here file names are defined, images are there. I will show you the image. This lady, Sharon Stone is of lady image, is a lady, and Channing is a person, male. Then print positive test. Remember that when the woman image is displayed, the value will be less than 0.5, and when the male image is displayed, the value will be greater than 0.5. Now here matching are woman, because three images of women are ladies is there and one image of man is there. Three are female and one are man. So matching is female and not matching is male. Then print negative test. Negative test is only one because Channing is only one. Now I will show you the face of the persons, male and female, on which I will be going to perform verification. So this is the face of image of Chan, and this is the image of female, and here is male. Now three images of female are there and one is male. Now I will going to perform execution of the program. Yes. So here faces are female, that's why it is 0.5, less than 0.5, and male which doesn't match, that is greater than 0.734, which is greater than 0.5. So I have successfully done with image verification. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.